Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, March 19th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. There's no homework in math. Hopefully we all did well on our Module 12 quiz today. In science, you need to work on your igneous rock book, and there's also a rock quiz on Friday. Should be a good idea to start preparing for that now. Social studies, we need to study for our religion test. Language arts, there is no homework. In literature, you need to read AR points, start over fresh, as we are in the fourth quarter for AR reading. You do have reading rally homework tonight, but because of our in-class work, hopefully all of you were able to get it done. The assignment is the Emancipation, and it is a life fable. Remember, we do have library tomorrow for literature, so please bring your books so you can return ones you've completed and get new ones. That's it for today. Make it a good one.